Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back at CVS to do this week's haul, and there are so many deals going on right now. So let's see what I can be able to find and what coupons I'll be using. My first deal will be on the Revlon. It's on spend 20, you get $6 back, and it's a limit of 6. I'll pick up 3 of the Super Lustrous Glass Shine Lipstick, priced at $12.79. And I'll use a $3 coupon for each one of them. The coupon came in the 1 saving set, and I also have two of the buy 2 get 1 free CRT, one from last week and one from this week. The next items I'll be adding to this will be the Color Stay Gel Envy Nail Polish, priced at $9.79. I'll pick up 3. I don't have any paper coupon also for this, but I have 2 of the buy 2 get 1 free, one from last week also and one from this week. These are all the items I'll be picking in this transaction. Check your Ibotta because it's giving back $3 for each one of them. The first CRT I have is the $3 email CRT for any cosmetics and a 4 off of 20 Revlon next purchase CRT. I have a 32% off your purchase that I'll be using for this, and a buy 2 get 1 free for the Revlon nail. I have one in my email. And I have this $4 instant coupon we received last week, and 3 of the $3 coupon that came in 1 saving set, and also this is the buy 2 get 1 free from last week. Because I'm using the 32% off CRT, I will not be using any extra care box to pay for this. I will be paying everything out of pocket. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt and everything worked out fine. All the coupons, CRT, everything came off as expected. The 32% took off $2.75. I paid $5.83 out of pocket, and I got my $18 back. This whole transaction free and a $12.17 money maker. And I'll be submitting my receipt to Ibotta, and I'll be getting $18 back in total. That's $3 for each item. It will end up being free and a $30.17 money maker. Even without the Ibotta rebate, I think this deal still turned out very good. Next deal will be on the spend 30 get $10 back on P&G products or household products. I'll pick up 2 of these per sale on sale for $13.99, and I'll use a $3 coupon from 11/13 savings set for each one of them. I need some more items to get me to $30, so I'll be picking up 2 of the Frutella, priced at $3.59 each. I'll pick up 2. I don't have any coupon, but check your swag box, or if you have inbox dollar, they are giving back $4 when you buy 2. These are the 4 items I'll be picking up in this spend 30 get 10. I just want to show you guys the coupon and also the CRT I'll be using with it. I have a 10 off of 70. That means I have to add more deals to this transaction to be able to use the 10 off of 70. But my goal is to get as much deal that will not cost much. That way the 10 will go into the spend 30. The next deal I'll be doing will be on the Crest or Oral-B toothbrush deal. It's part of the spend 10, you get $5 back. I'll pick up this toothbrush priced at $4.59, and I also pick up this one priced at $5.79. Both of them will come up to $10.38, and we have a $2 digital coupon attaching to it. That will bring it down to $8.38. After the $5 extra care box bag, both items will be $3.38, and there is a $2 Ibotta rebate attaching to this. When I receive my rebate, both items will be free and a 62-cent money maker. Next deal will be on the Colgate toothpaste. It's on sale for $3.99, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. We have 2 $2 coupon, digital coupon attaching to this, and when that apply, I will end up paying just $3.98, get $5 back, making both items free and a $1.02 money maker. The next deal will be on the Suave Kids hair care. It's on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. It's priced at $2.99, so the second one will be $1.50. I checked my email and I have a $1 coupon from Unilever. I printed 2 of them out. Make sure you're not copying your coupons because it's a limit of 2. You can always print them 2 times. And when those $2 come off, I will end up paying just $2.89, and I'll get $3 back, making both items free and 11 cents money maker. Last deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the Maybelline Cosmetics. It's on buy 2, you get $6 back, and this is a limit of 1, so be careful. I'll pick up 2 of the blush priced at $6.79 each. Both of them will be $13.58. And the $3 instant coupon we got last week, I printed mine out and I'll be using it for this transaction. And I have two $2 coupons I got from coupons.com. They are still available, and we also have one in our app. When all these coupons and the CRT come off, it will leave me to pay just $6.58 to get back $6 back, making both items just 29 cents for both. This is my receipt and everything worked out fine. You can see all the items I picked up. And now let's look at the coupons and how all the CRT worked out. Everything came off as expected. All the coupons I showed you. The Colgate double dipped, both of them came off, the 10 off of 40 and the $3 instant coupon for the Maybelline. I ended up using $38 extra care box, paid $2.58, and I got back $10 for the spend 30, $5 for the Colgate toothpaste, and for the toothbrush I also got $5. I got $3 back for the kids, Suave Kids, and $6 back for the Maybelline. I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta and I'll get back $2 for each of the Persil and also for Swagbuck, and I'll get back $4 for buying 2 of the Frutella. After all the rebates, this transaction ended up being free and a $6.58 moneymaker. My next deal, I'll be using an 8 off of 40 email CRT, and I'll also do another spend 30 get $10 back. This is a limit of 1, so I'm doing this one on a different card. I'll pick up 3 of the Aveeno lotion priced at $10.79 each. 3 of them will come up to $32.37. We all have a 3 off of 2 if you have not used yours yet. It's a digital coupon. And I have 2 $2 paper coupon I got from coupons.com that will also apply to this. Since this is just $32.37, I need to add more items to this transaction to be able to use my 8 off of 40 next purchase CRT. I have 2 of the $3 off of 2 paparazzi CRT. All I'm going to do is pick up 2 of these items priced at $2.99, and the 2 CRTs will make them free. These are everything I'll be picking up with the 8 off of 40. I will use just 2 of the coupons for the Aveeno, the $2 coupons. And I still have one in my app for the paparazzi, and this is one, the one that expired yesterday, the CRT. I can still be able to use it. I added the Colgate because the other products wasn't able to get me to 40, and the Colgate is on the deal of buy 2 get $5 back, and it's on sale for $3.99. And we also have a $2 digital coupon for each one of them. Both of them will come off, leaving you to pay just $3.98 and get $5 back. That's also a money maker. For the Aveeno, I forgot to mention that there is a $1.50 rebate from Ibotta for each one of them. And also there is another Activate Reward rebate that will give you $10 back when you spend $30 or $5 back when you spend $20. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. This is my receipt and everything worked out fine. You can see all the items I picked up and the coupons and the CRTs applied very well. The Aveeno 3 off of 2 came off very well. The 2 $2 coupons for the Colgate digital coupon came off as well. I ended up using $20 extra care box, paid $1.33, got back $10 for the spend 30 and $5 for the Colgate. I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta to get back $1.50 for each one of the lotion, and also to Activate Reward to get back $10 because I spent $30, but if you spend $20 you get $5 back. This whole transaction ended up being free and almost $10 money maker. Last deal I did is on the General Mills. It's on sale for $1.99. All I did was pick up 2 of the Lucky Charms. Both of them came up to $3.98, and I have 2 of the $1 off of 2 digital coupon. Both of them came off. I paid $1.98, and I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got $1 back for buying 2, making both items 98 cents or just 49 cents each. This is my receipt. You can see it's a very simple deal. I paid $1.98 and I'll get back $1 from Ibotta. And this is where my video ends. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye.